Children, in previous class we were studying lesson number 5, multiplication. Children, now you know no multiplication means repeated addition. Okay, today we will continue this chapter only. Okay, now open your maths textbook, page number 128. See, sign of multiplication. So for which sign we'll use for multiplication, we'll see now. See, first one, example one. Ramesh went to a shop to buy coconuts for a function. He asked the shopkeeper to give 12 coconuts. The shopkeeper gave him 3 coconuts at the time so as to make 12. Now, the number of coconuts taken by Ramesh is, so 3 coconuts he given to make them 12. So, how many times he will give 3? Then, now see here, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12. So, 3 like 3 he given 4 times. 3 he given 4 times to make that 12. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12. So how many times we are repeated here? 3, 4 times. We are repeated 4 times. So we'll use these 3 coconuts. We are repeated 4 times. So we'll write 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So children, this will call multiplication sign. This will call multiplication sign. So 4 times 3 is written as 3 into 4. This word times is represented as into. So this times, how many times they are repeated? That represented as into. Addition form converted into multiplication. This sign indicates addition form is converted to multiplication form using this sign. So x is a sign of multiplication. Okay children, now see here, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Here 3, how many times we are repeated? 2 times. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Here 3 is a multiplicand. 3 will call multiplicand, and this into will call x is called multiplication sign, and this 2 we are repeated 2 times now, that will call multiplier, and final answer will call product. Final answer will call product. So multiplicand means this 3. Okay, and this is sign of multiplication. And multiplier means how many times we are repeated, is equal to product means final answer, whatever we will get now, that will call product. Now we will see this exercise. Rewrite using this multiplication sign. 2 times 3 is, so this 3 number we are repeated 2 times. So we'll write 3 into 2. Now 4 times 6 is, so 6 we are repeated 4 times. So we'll write 6 into 4. Next 5, this 2 we are repeated 5 times. This 2 we are repeated 5 times. So we'll write 2 into 5. Next 7 we are repeated 3 times. So we'll write 7 into 3. Now 2 we are repeated 8 times. So 2 into 8. Now 9. This 4 we are repeated 9 times. So 4 into 9. This will call multiplication format. This will call multiplication format. Children, you understood now? See, will second exercise. Write the multiplicand, multiplier and product of multiplication form in the given box. See here they given 3 into 6 is equal to 18. So here multiplicand 3. 3 is the multiplicand. So multiplier, which is multiplier here? 6 is multiplier. Final product 18. Okay. Here we'll write multiplicand is 2, multiplier 5, product is 10. Like that only you have to do this, children. It is for your homework. These two you have to do by yourself only. Okay. If you multiply any number by 0, what will be the product? If you multiply any number with 0, that final answer will be 0 only. Okay. That final answer will be 0 only. If you multiply any number by 1, what will be the product? If we multiply any number by 1, so that number only it will be final answer. See here, children. Here they given tables format. Okay. Now what we'll do? See here. 1 into 1. 1 is equal to 1 into 1. 1. 1 into 2. 1 into 2 means this 1 we are repeated 2 times. So 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 4, 4. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 6, 6. 1 into 7, 7. 1 into 8, 8. 1 into 9, 9. 1 into 9, 10. So children, like this only you have to construct these tables. Okay children, so for your homework I'll give you these two you have to do by yourself, and you should write in classwork book 1 to 5 tables. Okay, in your classwork book. See children, here they given 6 table. So 6 in here 6 leaves are there. In one branch there are 6 leaves are there. Like that only they given here 6 tables. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They given here up to 10. And see here children, exercise number 5.3. Work out the multiplication fact given on each. Lock and tick the correct key to the open lock. See here they given key, that is 7 into 3. For this making unlock we have to find correct answer. So 7 into 3 is equal to how much? 21. So this is the correct answer. Like that only. So we'll tick this key. Second one, 5 into 5. 5 into 5, how much? 5 into 5, 25. So here, where is here 25? Here. So we will mark this. Like that only you should find children. Okay. 4 into 8 is equal to how much? And 10 into 6 is equal to how much? You have to do, children. You will do, no children? Okay. This is also for your homework. Okay. I hope you will be finish this homework. Okay. Thank you children.